Hi there, Chris here. Welcome to a Quick Pick Thursday bonus. So as you can see here, this is a massive lock. I mean, this is a huge ISEO Padlock. And they're made in Italy. It has a snap that almost pulls it out of your hand. And I don't think you could shim it. You might be able to, if you had a big enough, shackle shims. But unfortunately, here's the bidding on it. It's all like one cuts. So when you see that, you can usually just do a quick pick with a sparrow's worm. So we're going to go in here and put a little bit of tension on here. And just worm our way in. And we're open, just like that. So that's unfortunate that it has that bidding. But it does qualify for Quick Pick Thursday. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, leave a comment, subscribe, ask a question. We will see you next time.